Tibet, Buddhist teachers warned students that cannabis could amplify karma, meaning whatever energy you haven't dealt with sober will come screaming at you when high. Modern brain scans show why this happens. THC reduces activity in your prefrontal cortex, the part that helps you suppress uncomfortable thoughts. At the same time, it boosts activity in your amygdala, the fear center. This creates what scientists call an unregulated emotional loop. Basically, your inner demons get a megaphone while your rational mind takes a nap. But here's what ancient traditions understood, that modern science is just discovering. This isn't a bug, it's a feature. Amazonian shamans say the plant spirit intentionally shows you what needs healing. The anxiety, that's your soul's way of saying, pay attention to this. The paranoia, that's your intuition, warning you about something real in your life you've been ignoring. A 2022 UCLA study found something remarkable. People who journaled about their bad highs were 3 times more likely to resolve past trauma than those who just quit smoking. This matches exactly with what Taoist masters taught, that cannabis should be used with the 3 mirrors, a notebook to record visions, a teacher to interpret them, the courage to face what appears, drumbeat slows to a stop, long pause. So tonight, when you take that next puff, ask yourself, are you smoking to escape your shadows or to finally meet them face to face? Have you ever had that moment, high on your couch, when suddenly everything makes sense? The universe feels connected. Life has meaning. You've cracked the code. Then morning comes. A groundbreaking 10-year study of Rastafarians revealed something shocking. Regular ganja users who skipped spiritual practices showed no personal growth, despite reporting profound awakenings weekly. Their brains were tricking them. Here's why. Neuroscientists at Stanford discovered that THC creates a false insight effect. It stimulates dopamine, the aha chemical, without requiring actual understanding. In simple terms, cannabis makes you feel wise before you become wise. The ancient Taoists warned about this 2,000 years ago with their teaching. Enlightenment that doesn't survive the sunrise was never real. This explains why 87% of chronic users in a Harvard study claimed spiritual growth, but couldn't name one concrete life change. Ayahuasca shamans refuse to mix cannabis with ceremonies. They call it the illusion vine. Monks in Bhutan, where cannabis grows wild, teach that real meditation should feel difficult because growth comes from effort, not chemicals. But here's the twist. The same Stanford study found something hopeful. Those who paired cannabis with actual spiritual practice, like the Rastafarians who fast and pray first, showed measurable growth in emotional intelligence, plus 22%, patience, plus 31%, ability to handle stress, plus 145%. This matches exactly with what the Vedic texts taught. Soma, sacred plant, reveals the path, but your feet must walk it. The high isn't the destination, it's just a signpost. So ask yourself tonight, when the smoke clears, do you still feel holy? In 2018, a leaked marketing memo from a major cannabis company revealed their strategy. Sell rebellion. Package enlightenment. Monetize the mystic. This wasn't business, it was spiritual theft. Historical records show cannabis was sacred for 5,000 years until 1973. That's when the first corporate cannabis ad ran, featuring a hippie smiling with a joint. The ad tested poorly until they added one word: enlightenment. Sales jumped 300%. Today, the global weed industry is worth $340 billion, while Rastafarians, who actually treat it as sacred, face arrest in many countries. Here's what they don't want you to know.